net zero in 2045 is only 22 years from now. And this equals about one investment cycle of many industrial plants. So net zero in 2045 has an immediate impact on companies' decisions today, as all of these investments have to be climate neutral today.
As we will increase our electrical infrastructure, the same challenge will have Elia to increase the capacity of the public grid. And this will be a prerequisite to keep the energy-intensive industry here in Antwerp, in Flanders, in Belgium.
The availability and the stability of the grid is of utmost importance for us to realize our decarb roadmap, and it has even been a criterion to invest here in Belgium.
In order to electrify the industrial processes, we need huge investments, both in electricity infrastructure, production, but also transmission. But we also need to change our own processes. This will require enormous investments.
There are three blocking points that need to be addressed first in the industry sector, in my opinion. The first one is to provide industry with planning security for them to make long-term investments. Second one is to provide them with a leading market for them to produce green products. And third one is to facilitate permitting procedures.
We have a lot of challenges in the cement sector, and decarbonization is definitely the most important one today. We are talking about a 30 megawatt capacity today. With the decarbonization and the need to capture the CO2 to purify it, we talk about an energy increase by close to 80%, close to 60 megawatt in the future.
We melt glass with natural gas for 100%. We have the vision to become carbon net zero by 2050. And on the way, on the roadmap to get there, we have an objective for 2030 to reduce carbon emissions by 30%. Therefore, we need to do electrification.
The sustainability of the whole chemical park in Leuna will depend on the grid connection, but also on the availability of renewable electricity.
Ce qu'on attend du secteur énergétique, c'est d'avoir de l'électricité verte, en abondance, disponible. Et derrière le mot disponible, il y a notamment les réseaux. Est-ce que nos réseaux sont capables aujourd'hui de transporter la quantité d'énergie électrique qui sera nécessaire à la transformation?
Darüber hinaus müssen auch die regulatorischen Rahmenbedingungen geschaffen werden, dass Investitionen in Flexibilitäten sich rechnen und nicht kurzfristig Rahmenbedingungen wieder verändert werden.
If there are flexibility needs which can be fulfilled also with our electrical heat pump, then we can add some value to our business cases and it can really help to get these technologies implemented and make a step change in carbon footprint.
Iedereen krijgt dezelfde prijs voor de zink. Of je nu de zink maakt in China of je maakt hem hier in België, iedereen krijgt dezelfde prijs. Dus we moeten concurreren op kost. En onze grootste kostfactor is momenteel energie. Dus die moet betaalbaar zijn. Dat is een heel belangrijke.
Either we impose the same rules or similar rules to installations all over the world, or we can find ways to help industry finance these huge investments.
We have lots of industrial clusters since many decades here, creating welfare, employment, and that's what we want to keep. But we have to go into transition, all of us, all the industries.